It's not just a style of writing that we make the beginning of ba long like that Bismillah. So it's not just a style of writing that we stretch the beginning of ba, rather there is a reason, there is a purpose, there is a specific objective that why we make it long. Let me elaborate what I want to convey the message to you people. This is Bismillah, with the name of Allah. So in fact the actual form of Bismillah is Bismillah, like that. Bismillahi. So there is ismun. So ismun means name, with the name of Allah. So Bismillah, we recite like Bismillah, but the actual form was like Bismillah. So we have skipped Hamza not only in spoken but also in written language. Here there is no more Hamza here like this. Hamza Zair E, Bi Ismi. But we recite Bismi. Why? What is the reason? Is it just a style of writing or there is a specific purpose? Yes, there is. There is a specific purpose. Look at this example. This is the very first verse of the Holy Quran. Iqra Bismi Rabbika. So here also Bismi, which means name. But the difference between this and that is here Hamza is present, but here Hamza is omitted. Here Hamza is removed. Hamza is deleted. Hamza means alif, E. Okay. In this verse of the Holy Quran, we recite Iqra Bismi Rabbika. So in fact the actual form was Bi-Ismi, but we recite Bismi. So we have skipped E in spoken but not in written. In written form there is alif, there is Hamza which is present right here. But not is the same case with Bismillah, because here there is no more Hamza. So Hamza is omitted, Hamza is eliminated, Hamza is removed not only in spoken but also in written language. And this is only associated, this is exclusively associated with this Bismillah. So now just listen to me carefully. In order to compensate the omission of this Hamza, we have made the beginning of ba long. So this longness in fact indicates the omission of Hamza. So we have made the beginning of ba long in order to compensate for the loss of the omission of Hamza in the word ismi. Okay dear students, so far it's enough for today's lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.